Hello, in today's speech I will teach you the basic fundamentals of drill exhibition. A fun fact about drill exhibition is that it is derived from military's drill and ceremony. To understand more about drill and ceremony, please refer back to the Blue Book by Baron von Steuben. Now there are many essential parts of the rifle that you should know before you start spinning. The rifle has many pieces to it which make it up to about 10 pounds. Most of the weight of the rifle is stored in the stock. Stock is all synthetic and it can endure lots of force when dropped to the ground. Now the main source that I got to tell you about the durability of the stock is from the New Guard American Drill Team, which is a civilian drill team. Now I'm going to go on to the next key point before we start our spinning, which is the balance of the rifle. The balance of the rifle is a key point that needs to be identified before you can start spinning. The balance is important because it shows you where to place your hands on the rifle when spinning. This will help create the force and momentum that you need to spin the rifle. Now this is where the balance is located on the rifle. The balance is the center point to where the rifle is equal on both sides of weight. The rifle is 10 pounds, so it would be 5 pounds of pressure on both sides. Now when spinning, you will start at the port position at all times. This is the starting position. Now the first move that I will demonstrate is the port spin. The port spin is a great move because it demonstrates how the balance of the rifle becomes a key factor when it is spun. I will perform this movement in a fast motion so that you get a general consensus of what to do. As you can see, the rifle is coming down in a slow motion to where your left hand is extending past the balance. Then you will take your left hand and turn the rifle so that it goes into the reverse position. From the reverse position, you will pull with your right hand and rotate up, bringing your left hand above the balance to stop all that forward momentum. Stopping the forward momentum will create this thing called a dead stop, as referred to by Samuel Goza at Norwich University. Now I will execute the port spin by the numbers in a cadence. By the numbers in cadence is referenced in TC 3-21.5, which is an Army regulation to slow cadence down so that beginners can understand the movement correctly. The first step. Ready? 1. You'll drop your left hand down, as I said before, extending past the balance, all the way up to the upper sling swivel. Ready? 2. You'll rotate the rifle with your left hand, creating this momentum that will put the rifle into reverse position. Once you catch it at this position, you will do a return with your right hand like you did with your left hand, create that momentum, spin the rifle up to a dead stop. And that is how you correctly do the exhibition port move, as shown again in fast motion. Now the second drill move you must understand when trying to perform exhibition drill is what is called the toy soldier. The toy soldier move is compromised to keeping your hands level to the ground and the rifle is perpendicular or horizontal at all times. I will show you a demonstration at full speed. Ready? As seen just now, the rifle is moving at a constant speed. The rifle is either parallel or perpendicular at all times to the marching surface. Now I will demonstrate the toy soldier move by the numbers and in cadence. Ready? Put! My left hand brings the rifle down so it's parallel to the marching surface. Ready? 2! Now the rifle is perpendicular to the ground with the muzzle facing downwards. The rifle, if you notice, is generally straight all the way down. My right hand is in a closed grip. Ready? 3! My left hand now catches what is called the smallest stock of the weapon. And the rifle is back to being parallel to the marching surface. Ready? 4! The rifle is back now perpendicular to the ground, and my right hand is now in the smallest stock of the weapon with the closed grip. Ready? Now your left hand is back to where you're at the port position. Port position, left hand right above the balance. In conclusion, you have learned the basic skills and the basic fundamentals on how to perform drill exhibition. Now you will be able to perform it at any rate or any speed that you'd like, and you'll be able to do it amongst groups, teams, or solos. Thank you for your time.